Subic Bay, Arizona beach resort. Our friend here, and he will show later his room. Shaira sleep always in the car. It's good weather today. This is beach, Maroon Bataan beach. Hi. Hi. Nice weather today. How much this cottage in one day?
2.5
2.5
overnight.
overnight. Okay. Is CR have? Ah, also have pool in upstairs. Okay. Please show to me. It's kitchen. The fire con also have rooms. This is room for
10 bucks.
10.
Yeah.
10 person.
10 bucks.
How much need pay for one?
7.5, sir.
750.
7,500.
7,500 is total one room.
Yeah.
So if Filipino family come, they
Overnight.
overnight. Shower, have toilet.
This one is 6 person.
6 person.
Yeah.
How much for 6 person?
3.5.
3.5. Okay. So we're going to swimming pool. It's very close to the beach.
Just now, no water.
No water. Okay.
Package deal is 13,000. This only room.
Yes, one room. How many person here?
6.
6 persons.
8.
8 persons. Okay. This is also for emergency. When start season now? When start season here?
Maybe September.
From September already you prepare for September.
Yeah.
Peak season is maybe March or April here.
April.
April.
March, April.
March, April. Another time, not so many people.
This one is 13,000.
13,000 this room. With kitchen also.
We have a rec and slave.
Refrigerator also.
And 2 rooms.
2 rooms. Yes. Nice. All rooms have aircon. Electric fan.
Room si second.
Ah, 2 rooms with aircon. Please, how much?
13,000.
13,000.
Good for 15 packs.
Oh, nice. So many dogs, security dogs. Ah, two gate to this room. Pavilion, it's big Cuba. It's like Cuba.
This one is 6.5.
6'5", one.
Ah, yeah.
No, it's good. It's good here, not so hot.
We have video too. 6.5.
Also video, okay.
Yeah.
Shark. This is house of crabs. Crabs inside. Look, so many crabs. They put holes inside, they live inside. Marcos already. Okay, thank you. You try it already?
Not yet, but I want to try now.
Right?
I want to try now, yes.
Okay.
Hi everyone, we're here already in Morong Bataan and Leon will gonna show to you the place. Take a look the place first.
Dog.
What dog?
I show dog.
I said the place, the beach.
I already showed before.
Okay, and we're gonna eat because we take some food takeout in McDonald's. So
Okay.
it's not McDo, it's McDonald's.
McDonald's, okay.
So we eat, let's go.
Okay.
You're not... Ah.
Long time waiting. Another dog don't want it. Sleep.
Of course.
So many dogs here. Don't have tourists. Take a look. It's all local people here. One subscriber asking, Shira smoking? I said no, it's only vape. Take a look. She not put inside the
It's not, it's only exhale. Inhale and exhale only.
It's like anti-stress for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so many people. Excuse me, can I ask you if are you local here? You live here, or you come from the province?
Pampanga.
We also from Pampanga.
Yes.
We from Mabalacat.
We're in Lubao.
Lubao.
Yeah.
Lubao is very close. I've been in Lubao. I use motor to Lubao. How you traveling to here? You take bus, jeep?
Our private car.
Private?
We have service.
Service car.
Yeah, just the service.
But how long time you traveling?
1 hour. Just 1 hour and 30 minutes.
It's faster. It's faster because I use car. About 1 hour and legs I use. It's good. Okay, thank you. Sorry for disturb. We also we long time not been here. Maybe 3 years only. So that's why. Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you. They said they use bus, but jeepney.
It's
Jeep.
normal here. We use also jeepney here, go here.
So jeepney 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's okay, yes? tired, Shaira?
I'm not.
Not tired. Okay, let's go.
So many sand already. Eat together. Together.
Picture together.
Yes. Together. Yes. I'm not so cold, but soon it rain only. That's why windy. Let's go.
So we're going to Barretta right now. Shaira, this way. Who next?
Let's swimming!
Nice.